The things Promise Makunyane is saying right now,
Well, I mean, who was the better person for him to use than her?
It seems like her and her husband were in cahoots with this whole story of them getting a divorce, the husband going back to the baby mama, talking about Promise now being a celebrity, thinking she's better, yada yada, leaving him because the husband is now broke. That whole story was a cook-up that they deliberately directed Owami's way so that she could be the one dishing it out. And that's if what she's saying now is anything to go by. Meanwhile, Andile Mpisane is denying fathering a fifth child outside of his marriage.
Hayi lashisa-ke ilanga-ke namhlanje yo. Kodwa bafethu why kodwa nithanda ukunginika iy'ngane kodwa bafethu kangaka. Ngiyafelela mina. Another one ngiyazi bafethu ukuthi but yabo nje bafethu yabo nje. Isikuyona-ke lento eniyicabangayo kule.
And yeah, let's get into this. Promise Makunyane is now seemingly taking jabs at someone. And people in her comment section are saying Owami's name, okay? She's saying she thought she ate. Meanwhile, there was no food on the table. And people in her comment section are saying, yo, Maui, check on Owami Lina. Loosely translating, y'all better go check up on Owami. Hilariously laughing, repeating what she said. She thought she ate, but she didn't know there was no food on the table.
Well, I mean, who was the better person for him to use than her? What you do not know, though, is that this was the whole game. I mean, she thought she ate, but she did not know that there was no food on the table.
And the name that keeps on popping up in her comment section is Owami's name. Some are even saying, and her tea was cold with no sugar, no milk, on a rusty cup. That time she was laughing like a hyena. We could even see her intestines. Yo, what are y'all saying now? Some are saying, I love this and I said it so many times that there is no divorce. Yo, this is now turning into something else, hey? You know what? When it comes to married people's business, we should really be minding our business, but we won't. So yeah, there's something else now. And unless, of course, Owami maybe comes up with tangible proof that supports her exclusives, then obviously people will keep mocking her for this. If this is what it seems like, promise I must give it to her. She really played her game, Sham. Otherwise, let's continue this in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share.